Good morning to all. My name is Rupa Soren and I am the student of Kalna College with department which is affiliated to the University of Bardhaman. So today I am going to present my PowerPoint presentation from the course EPC 3 Critical Understanding of ICT. I have taken the unit landform from class 8 and the subunit is Fold Mountain. Basically, we are going to learn about the landforms. So first of all, we are going to learn about what is landform, then why landforms occurs, then what are the reasons, what are the main causes of landforms, then endogenic force, exogenic force, and the mountains, its types, and their formation. And last, that is how landforms forms and their usefulness in human lives. Basically, in these slides, I am going to discuss about the concept of landforms. So, what do you mean by landforms? So, landforms are the any natural features or any physical features which are mainly formed on the earth surface due to many reasons. And that's why all the landforms we can say that they are not same, they are different because of their origin. See, in the given pictures, we can say that there are different types of landforms are there. Mountain, hill, valley, river, and plains too, etc. Now, formation of landforms. So here we will learn that what are the causes of the landforms, means how they have formed. So we can say that there are mainly two major causes. One is endogenic force, one is exogenic force. Endogenic force means what? That is inside the earth, and exogenic means what? On the surface of the earth. Let's take a help from the picture given below. The first picture, that is earthquake. So we can say that the force which is mainly taking place inside the earth and which leads landform, not only constructive features but also destructive features. Similarly, the volcanism is also caused by endogenic force. As we know that Earth is not static, due to the plate tectonic movement, cracks form and hot molten magma comes out from the magma chamber, and which we call it lava. So we can see that the force is mainly taking inside the earth. Thus, these two are the examples of endogenic force. Next is exogenic force. So exogenic force is also called the external force. That means these force are mainly taking place on the earth's surface, and the main agents of these forces, that is wind, water, temperature, glacier, etc. Let's take a help from the picture given below. So both the landforms, they are mainly done due to the erosions. So we can say that these two landforms are mainly done by the erosion by wind. The continuous blowing of wind leads to this kind of landform. So we can take example, that is a mushroom rock. So these two are the erosional landform. So we can say that exogenic force, they are mainly taking place where? On the earth surface. Mountain, which is one of the examples of landforms. So what is mountain? Mountains are prominent landform that have significant height above the sea level or the surrounding land. So we can say that mountain is a landmass which is rising up to the summit level, and we can say that they are having steep slope, and the tip of the mountain, that is called peak. Now come to the point, that is mountain range. So when the mountains are arranged in a line and connected by the high grounds, they form a chain-like structure, and that is called mountain range. Mountains are mainly of three types and they are categorized on the basis of their origin. So first one, that is fold mountain, block mountain, and last, that is volcanic mountain. Now we will learn about the fold mountain, and in the next slide I am going to tell about the formations of the fold mountain. So what do you mean by the fold mountain? So we can say that fold mountains which were created due to the upward movement of the plate during the compressional force, or you can say that mountains which are formed by such folding are called fold mountain. So in this picture we can say that the triangular shape we can see in this picture, the triangular shape, and they are fold, or you can say that they are fold in nature. So this type of mountain which are fold in structure, that is called fold mountain. Formation of fold mountains, that means how fold mountains occur or how it forms. Fold mountains are created when two or more of the earth tectonic plates are pushed together. So let's learn through the diagram given below. We can see that there are three boxes and these are the replica of the plates. Now move to the next diagram. We can see that when two plates move towards each other due to compressional force, the middle portions of the plates move vertically, or you can say that upward direction or upward movement, and that is called horst, and the low-lying plates, that is called graben. So in this way fold mountains formed. For better understanding, you can apply this activity, that is, you can take one piece of paper, then you have to keep it on your study table. Then you have to apply your both hand, or you can keep your both hand at the both side of the paper, and you have to apply the force from the both side. Then you will notice that a fold structure, and in this way the fold mountains form. In this slide, I am going to discuss about the distributions of fold mountains in the world. So major fold mountains, the first one, that is Rockies, which is situated in North America. It stretches from northern Alberta and British Columbia in Canada southward to New Mexico in the United States with a distance of 3,000 miles. Next, come to the Alpine Fold Mountain, which stretches from the Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador to central Alabama in the United States. It is a natural barrier between eastern coastal plain and the interior lowlands of North America. Next is Andes Mountain. This mountain lines the western edge of South America from Venezuela all the way along Chile to South America's southern tip and crossing through the equator, Peru and Bolivia. Next is Alps, which is located in South Central Europe, and it is the highest and most extensive mountain range system. Now, Ural Mountain, which forms a natural divide between Europe and Asia, and we can say that it is located in the west central Russia. Next comes to the Atlas Mountain. It is a mountain ranges which is located in the northwest corner of African continent. We can see that it is located in African continent. Next is very important Yangful Mountain, that is Caucasus. It is located in southern Russia, just north of the Georgian border. Next is Himalaya, which is well known to all. The Himalaya, which stretches from the river Indus in Pakistan through India, Nepal and Bhutan, and ends at the Brahmaputra River in Eastern India, and which is the natural barrier of China and India. I will discuss about the benefits of the fold mountains. The first one, that is, fold mountains are a tourist attraction which brings foreign exchange. So the money spent by tourists on travels, accommodation, food, transportation, and other activities generates income for the local economy and contributes to the country foreign exchange resources. Second is, fold mountains are water catchment areas and sources of rivers, so which provides water for agriculture, food, hydroelectricity, shelter, fresh water, and other uses. Fold mountains have valuable mineral deposit. So these are the great source of minerals as well, such as tin, copper, gold, etc. They are mostly found in the margins of a continent and ocean. Fold mountains which act as a strong defense barrier. For example, the Himalaya, which saves our country from the cold and dry wind of Central Asia, and also it creates a barrier during the war. So here I am going to end my PPT. Thank you to all of you for your